Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I did my very first twist and curl. I have tried to use perm rods before for a perm rod set and it just always turns out absolutely terrible and I have to just start again from scratch. So I thought maybe doing a half twist, half curl would work out a little bit better. So let's see how it works out. So you just saw me apply my leave-in conditioner and I'm combing that through, and now I'm using this Aunt Jackie's Seal It Up sealing butter just to seal in the moisture from the leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to comb that through as well. So I'm separating each quarter of my hair into thirds, and I'm working with the first third of the first section now, and I'm applying a foam. I'm using a foam because they tend to dry faster. Now I'm using my Denman brush to fully detangle the section to make sure that the twist comes out really neat and smooth, and then I'm going to start doing my twist. And I'm only going to twist just over halfway down. I make sure to brush through the end of my hair just before applying the perm rods, just in case any tangles came in while I was twisting. And then I add the perm rod and I roll it up to the point where the twist starts. And I'm really sorry, but you can't really see the beginning of me adding the perm rod. But this isn't really a tutorial anyway, so I guess it doesn't really matter. There's loads of tutorials where you can find out how to do it properly. Having said that, I did slow this down a bit just to show you how I'm wrapping the hair around the perm rod. As you can see, I'm wrapping the end around and smoothing it down and then rolling it up from the bottom. Now I'm just showing you me doing the front section of my hair so you can get a better view of what I'm doing. Now I'm just smoothing any flyaways or any bits that look like they're going to turn out frizzy down with the mousse at the top, and that's me all done. So I've obviously got 6 on each side, 12 in total, and I'm just going to wait for those to dry. So it did end up taking until the next day to dry, so I slept in a silk bonnet. Actually it wasn't too uncomfortable to sleep in because the perm rods are only at the ends of your hair, not right at the root as they would be in a perm rod set, so it wasn't too bad. So as you can see, I applied some Curls Blueberry Bliss hair oil on my hands, and then I'm going to start taking out the perm rods and undoing the twists. I'm going to do it very carefully so as not to cause any frizz. So this is how they look after undoing all the twists and taking off all the perm rods. And now I'm going to begin to separate each curl. So as you can see, I'm being quite careful when separating, and I try just to separate where the hair naturally wants to separate, because that avoids frizz again. And yeah. So this is after all the separating, and obviously I've got the parting still down the back of my head, which I need to get rid of, and I just pick it out a bit to add volume, and that also gets rid of the parting down the back. You just need to keep fluffing and maybe separating bits that you missed. I actually think this turned out really nice. It does shrink up a bit more than a normal twist out, but I really like the way the ends are really curly and smooth. So yeah, I think it was a success. It definitely turned out much better than my normal perm rod attempts anyway. They didn't even make it to YouTube. So yeah, so anyway, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.